Good morning, everybody. Today we are looking at failure number 3 of mistakes that foreigners make while living and working in China. So, failure number 3 is the failure to understand the large number of local competitors that are in China. With over 1.3, 1.4 billion people, China represents one of the largest markets of consumers in the world. The competitive force can be observed in every aspect of society, from local grocery stores, factories, schools, and the thousands, hundreds of thousands of import and export companies of every variety. And part of this palpable competition is due to the sheer population in China. Companies and individuals are faced with a massive number of competitors in every industry and every sector. For any business, it pays to know your market, especially if you're planning to do market entry into China or establish an operation in China. Whether you are trying to assess the level of market demand before releasing a new product or service, whether you're trying to choose the best city in which to sell in, or simply try to understand what factors will influence customer spending, or analyze what your competitors are already doing in the market, data is a key ingredient in your recipe pack that will truly help you to understand your customers' needs and your customers' expectations, and how to gain market share in an extremely competitive environment. If you would like to discuss the importance of market share, market potential, and competitors in China for your industry or sector, then DM me and we can schedule a free complimentary call. But don't forget to get that data and to make informed decisions based on your market entry into China, as well as your growth and expansion in China from data. And if you enjoyed the content of today's video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this every single day. We are looking at doing the 100 mistakes that foreigners make whilst living and working in China. So if you do also want to learn more about what I do and what we do at Woodburn Accountants and Advisors, then check out our website at woodburnglobal.com. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care and goodbye.